That tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go.
Hello guys, this is me Anand back again with a new video all the way from Burlington, Vermont. And today in this video I'm going to take you to the biking tour around the one of the most scenic trail in United States and one of the most famous biking trail in whole world. Here in Lake Champlain, you'll find the perfect opportunity to explore the natural beauty of Vermont at your own pace. With over 40 miles of biking routes, it's the ideal way to discover the lake's unique scenery. Start off on the Island Line Trail, starting at Oakledge Park in Burlington, where you'll cycle across the spectacular Causeway, a unique trail where you'll be surrounded by water on both sides. But Lake Champlain is just not about biking trails. Enjoy the peace and calm of nature while watching the sunsets over the lake from the comfort of your own bike. Make sure to stop by the charming towns of Burlington and Shelburne, both offering fantastic dining experiences and beautiful lakeside views. Exploring Lake Champlain on a bike has never been easier or more enjoyable. You can go at your own pace, stop when you want to admire the scenery, and take in the fresh air around you. So come on down to Lake Champlain, grab a bike and experience the nature like never before.
Love you back, all she did was leave a hole in your chest.
With all these details, let me go over my own experience. We booked the bikes from Local Motion Bike Rentals, which is located right off the trail. So we booked two bikes, one tag along and the second the normal bike, which cost us $48 and $29 for 3 hours.
Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you got.
Started around 3 p.m. We were supposed to drop the bike at 5:45. So we literally had almost 3 hours, and our target was to reach the causeway in 3 hours. Not in 3 hours, almost in 1.5 hours. So it was a kind of tough. Because we had one tag along and one normal bike. Distance to be covered was 20 miles, altogether 40 miles. So in this video you'll be watching me or watching us cycling in the biking trail on the Island Lane Trail, starting at Oakledge Park in Burlington, and you'll be watching the Lake Champlain, a unique trail where you'll be surrounded by water on the both sides. We'll be watching the trail, the sceneries, and the spectacular views of the Lake Champlain. Without further ado, let's continue on this video.
What's the point of anything at all? It's to live your life, live it right now, 'cause you only get one. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just
So from this point onwards, I'll be cycling or biking alone. I'll be taking you along this journey alone from here on this causeway. Enjoy the beautiful sceneries of the Lake Champlain and the trail, which is being surrounded by water on the both the sides, and there are a lot of cyclists, a lot of people doing the cycling, enjoying the views. And for your information, this video was shot by Insect 3, and this is not a drone video, and I had a tough time handling this long stick. I had a great time doing the cycling on this beautiful trail, and when you are in Vermont, please don't forget to, I think this is the number one must to do things while you are in Vermont, because Lake Champlain and this biking trail is one of the must best things that you can do while you are in Vermont. Please enjoy this video. Well, I have other videos coming up with the list of things that you can do in the Vermont, or how I spend few days in Vermont. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to say it. Thank you again. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let's dance this night away.